Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the Clear plastic storage bins, an 8-pack of versatile pantry organizers designed to tackle clutter from your fridge to your garage. These sleek, BPA-free, and shatter-resistant bins are not only food-safe but also feature a smooth grip handle for easy transport, making them perfect for storing everything from food and crafts to cleaning supplies. The clear plastic design allows you to see exactly what's inside, ensuring you never lose track of your items, while their stackable nature means they fit effortlessly into small spaces. Mindfully crafted to produce less waste over time, these durable bins are a must-have for anyone looking to bring order to their kitchen, cabinet, laundry room, or even the office. With a modern design that complements any space, these storage solutions are perfect for organizing toys, tools, nursery items, or office supplies, helping you create a clean, clutter-free environment. Our founders believe that staying organized in today's chaotic world leads to happier, more productive lives, and these clear plastic containers are your ticket to achieving that peace of mind. So, whether you're sprucing up your closet or streamlining your workspace, these bins are a clear choice for a more organized life. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.